The real estate industry has witnessed quite a unique turn and a major shift in how it does business ever since the pandemic happened last year in 2020. House seekers are left with the task of weighing in on what's fit and ideal for them without having to break the bank. Such considerations include the location. Consider the distance from their new home to their workplace, school, and establishments. Type of house. How big is the household? When a family of 4 or 5 plans on buying a house and lot, then a big or spacious house might be what's ideal for them. PAG IBIG versus bank loan. Buyers can then determine what financing type is best for them in terms of affordability and their capacity to pay. Pre-selling or ready for occupancy. The prospect of having your house be ready to move in and occupy always entices buyers to choose that investment route when purchasing a house and lot for sale.